Hello! I don't look at Euro Yen very much, so I thought this would be kind of fun to have a look and see. I know you were looking on the daily to see what might be up with this area here. I thought I'd go out a couple of time frames and see what's what. So let's see what I see here. Okay, so we have a flag here. The price came down, flagged, and you can look at history and see that this is held price for a bit, and just here, just there, it's broken through. So we have, I thought that was maybe a bit lower, but hold on. Right, here's the flag. So what's the high there? 143,670, and the high here is 143,6. So it's not until up here that it's broken. So it breaks this flag up here, flags again. So here we have this flag, which doesn't quite manage to get up to here. And let's see. So we're in this at the moment. We're in this flag. You can see it's come up to the top of it, come down, broken it to the downside. So okay, yeah, I mean it might be about to go south here, but possibly this is where the target is. So maybe what you should do is wait for this to come up in here and see if you get some price action telling you to short up there. But you can play plenty of stuff in. I mean, this is the monthly, so there's going to be lots of things going on. What I noticed though is that when you go down a time frame, this is not not normal. This flag gets bigger, or where you have to see this flag as being, this one here, gets bigger. It's important because it's broken these lows here. These all were broken by this down thrust, which looks like this on a different time frame. So let me just mark this with a, there's the low here. We go down to the daily. Okay, so it's coming down here. That's the low, that's the high of the flag. So really this, when you go down to a lower time frame, has to be up there, which is well, I'd say it's an annoyance, but it's just what a flag is. So there it goes. Back out to the weekly, you'll see it looks like this. Back out to the monthly, looks like that. It's pretty big on the monthly. It doesn't even appear, which is kind of contrary to what I'm used to seeing. But there you have it. So at this point, I looked across to the dollar yen and the monthly here to see if there's something that might be occurring at the same time, if there's some news event or something coming. And I see this FTR here. So you see you've got a few flags, comes down, makes a low, here, breaks down, comes up, fails here, and drops off. My box disappeared because I've got the indicator running on here that draws it forwards. But anyway, you could see where that was. You have there's the top of this FTR. Yeah, there's the top of this FTR, and control copy. There's the bottom of this FTR. You can go down a time frame or two, and you'll see. You can go in there and have a look closer and see what's happening. Of course. So my thing's showing the lower time frame. So yeah. Anyway. So possibly dollar yen and euro yen are going to come up in here and do something in unison. It looks not beyond the bounds of a possibility that will happen. So possibly look for longs here. kind of easy to say. If you look on the daily, you see there's no you know, we did break here. This area here was broken down, and we came up, and this doesn't seem to have reached any target around here. So you know, possibly yeah, there doesn't seem to be anything really that's reacted to here, so maybe it's going to come. I know this isn't particularly helpful, but maybe it's going to come down into here, because we've broken all this stuff. So come there, we've broken this, we come down, and if this comes up, then you've got an FTR here as well. So you could still be stuck between a rock and a hard place. Anyway, I'm not sure if that's particularly helpful, but it just demonstrates how going out some time frames can maybe help. And it's interesting that this flag exists on the monthly, but not really in the lower time frames. Things to watch out for.